Hello, friends. We have Unit 4, Lesson 17 today, page 199. And we are continuing with the practice the adding up method that we started working on last time we were working together. And we are going to be working on this for the next two lessons, so today and next time. So Unit 4, Lesson 17, page 199. As usual, I am going to do two of these with you, and the second two are going to be done by you. When you solve these equations, I do expect you to be using the adding up method, not an alternative method that helps you to figure out. We are specifically practicing this strategy. And so I want you to use this strategy and show it to me in writing. I don't want to see just an answer. I need to see your work. The deal, friends, is that in class, I would be able to look over your shoulder and watch you do something and be like, oh, that's how they know how to do this. But I don't get to do that this year. And so the only way I get to look over your shoulder and watch how you solve it is by seeing a picture of your work. So this one says Justin reads 27 comics. Trina reads some comics. In all, they read 86 comics. So we're starting with 27, and then we have some, and then we have a total of 86 comics. Do you remember how we were doing this before? The first thing we do is get up to the nearest 10. So 27, if we add 3, will equal 30. Getting up to the nearest 10 allows us to be able to count up quickly and easily to this 10 right here. So now we're going to get up to 80. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's 5 tens. 5 tens is 50. So we're going to go ahead and add 50. And now we are at 80. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and finish off those ones by adding 6 more, and that equals 86. The very last thing that we need to do is we need to add 3 plus 50 plus 6. So first, I'm going to add 50 plus 3. 50, 51, 52, 53. Now I'm going to keep on counting because I'm going to add 6 more. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So our answer is 59. So over here we will write 59 comics. If you have this over here and this over here, I need to see a picture of that part. All right, let's go ahead and do number 2. Maya and Philip draw 73 pictures. Maya draws 38 of the pictures. How many pictures does Philip draw? Okay, so we're starting out with 38. That's how many Maya drew. We don't know how many Philip drew. So this would be Maya, this would be Philip, but our total is 73. So the first thing we want to do is get up to the nearest 10. The nearest 10 is 40. So how many do we need to add to 38 to get to 40? Thank you. We need to add 2, and that gets us to 40. Now what? Before, we counted up how many tens to get to 80. What should we do here on our new equation? Yeah, we're going to add up the number of tens to get to 70. So how many tens does it take to get to 70? How many tens? 3 10s, that's going to be 30. So now we're at 72. Sorry about that. So we're at 72 now. Okay, we need to get up to, we're not at 72, we're at 70. I don't know where I got 2. I'm going to go ahead and cross that out and do this. Plus 30 equals 70. Sorry about that. My brain added this to it. Okay, so now we need to get to 73. What do we need to add to 70 to get to 73? Okay, we did the adding up method. Now what do we do with all of these? Thank you. We're going to add them up. So 30 plus 3 is 33, plus 2 more. Go ahead and type your answer into the chat. All right, 38 plus 35 equals 73. So we have 35 pictures. All right, you're going to do the next 2 on your own. I will read those to you so that you can make sure that you understand them, and make sure and pause in between if you're doing this on your own so that you can take the time to go ahead and do the work. Make sure that you take a picture of all of your work so that I can see that and turn that in on Seesaw. There are 82 birds in the zoo. The zoo gets some more birds. Now they have 100 birds. How many birds does the zoo get? The last one says, Mrs. Clark has 94 pens. She gives some pens to her friends. Now she has 75 pens. How many pens does Mrs. Clark give away?